Did you know that in the early days of anime, sound effects were created using everyday objects? Back in the 1960s, anime studios had limited resources to create sound effects, so they had to improvise. They would often use whatever was available in their surroundings, such as banging on tables or shaking metal objects, to create the sounds needed for their animations. For example, the sound of a character jumping would be created by hitting a piece of wood or a cardboard box. The sound of a sword being drawn would be made by scraping metal against metal. Even the sound of a character punching would be created by slapping a piece of meat or a phone book. And the sound of a character shouting? That was usually just the voice actor yelling into a microphone at the top of their lungs.